Okay guys, first thing I'm going to start out with is a primer. Before I forget, I'm going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Dark Spot Correcting Primer. I'm going to apply a little bit of that just in my T-zone, kind of where my pores are the biggest. And then I just got this from Deck of Scarlet. They just came out with this new kit, and it is the Hologram kit, which comes with 3 items. This is the kit that it comes with. If you haven't heard, Deck of Scarlet is a monthly subscription service. They have full kits that you can get for only like $29.95, I think. And now I think you can buy individual products from them too. So this kit comes with strobe drops, which is like a liquid highlighter, and then comes with liquid glitter, and then what is this called? Supernova Lip Shine. Their brand is also vegan and cruelty free. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some type of like just holographic, easy holographic look. So first I'm going to take these strobe drops and I'm going to apply a little bit. Let me swatch them for you. Whoa. I'm going to apply a little bit of this in my foundation and see how it works. Whoa. It's kind of like on the, can you see that? So I'm going to take a little bit of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, which I'm almost out of. Look, it's like all the way down here. You can see. And I'm going to take a couple drops of these strobe drops. So I'm going to take a little bit of foundation and I'm just going to mix it together like that. I'm going to mix a little bit. Okay, I'm going to mix 2 drops. I just added a little bit there to give me somewhat of like a glow, and then I'm so tired right now. Netflix actually got me again. They got me twice, to be honest. Once with, I think it's called Money Heist. That one was really good, and it left me like, I finished it and left you kind of like, what? You can't leave us like that. And the one recently was called Cable Girls. I just finished that one. It was like up till like 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday finishing it, and I'm going to add a little bit more. But by the end of the 3rd, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but by the end of the 3rd season and going into the 4th one, that girl Lydia was just getting on my nerves already. It's like she just kept bouncing back and forth from those 2 guys, and it's like get it together, girl, just pick one.
For concealer, you can check out my previous video because I tried out JCat Beauty's Stay Assurance and CoverGirl's new Undercover Concealer, which is why I used 2, because I kind of compared the 2.
I'm going to start with the JCat Beauty one, and I'm going to do it on this side. This one I feel like dries a little fast. Okay, so now for this eye, I'm going to use the CoverGirl one. I hope this color works. I'm going to use the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Setting Powder.
So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take Sigma's new Enchanted palette, which I really like. I'm going to take this matte shade, which is kind of like a soft, muted plum color, I guess. I'm going to apply that on in the outer corner and also in the inner corner, and then I'm kind of just going to run it into my crease a little bit. The camera kind of really washed this color out. It was a little darker in person, especially after I put the pigment on top, but it was a little bit darker in person. I still liked it though. And then I'm going to be taking the Deck of Scarlet liquid glitter, and I'm just going to apply that onto my brush and tap it all over my eye, like all over, even above my crease, just lightly tapping it everywhere. And then after I do that, I'm going to kind of concentrate it in the center to give it kind of like a halo look. So I'm just putting it a little bit more in just in the center. And then I also added that to my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye just to brighten that up. And then I made that liner extra thick, and I used the Balm's Swing Liner, which was giving me kind of a little bit of problems just because it was a little dried out. It's a little old, but yeah, that's what I used. And then I didn't put any shadow on my lower lash line. I just used a really light colored, shimmery colored purple, and I put that in my waterline.
To warm up my face a little bit, I'm going to take Benefit's Hoola Light Bronzer, which I'm hitting pan on. Gosh, I got eyeliner all over my hands and I got concealer on my shirt. Awesome. I guess I'm just going to put a little bit. I have to do my nose, so I'm going to use that same color. A lot of things going wrong right now. My light over here on the side just completely fell over and knocked everything down on my desk. Okay, for blush, I'm going to take Sigma's Blush Cheek Palette. I think it's going to be this pink one right here. I'm going to go very lightly. I don't want like a lot of blush. This was supposed to be a holographic look. Now I look like something out of the 70s. And then for the highlight, I'm going to take the Anastasia Sweets Glow Kit. And I'm going to use the color Sassy Grape right there. And put it on my cheekbones. I'm going to put this all over my face basically. Too purple. I'm going to use those colors Escape Lip Liner. Halo Supernova Lip Shine. And I'm just going to put that on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.